to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly, and today I'm gonna be putting some Kiss color nails, and they're pink and they're real short, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna use these, and I'm gonna use one glue. It's a Power Flex. They're from Kiss also, and some nail clippers, and a filer. So the first thing is, what I like to do is I like to clip my nails because they're long, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip them. After that I'm done clipping my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this file, and I'm just gonna start filing. So they're really not that long. So now they look like this, nice and filed. And we're gonna go ahead and open these. And these nails already have a glue. They already have a glue, but I found out that this glue doesn't really work for me, so I bought these. These do work, so I just throw this one away. And it comes with some tabs and a filer and a cuticle. And here are the nails. We're gonna open them. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has right here more, and then these ones. So the tricky part is to actually find the nails that fit in your fingers. So on the back of the nails, they have a number. You can't really see it, but they have a number. And what I like to do is I like to start with my thumb, and I like to grab this ones, and this one is number 2, so we're gonna see if it fits. And this one is 2. It actually fits great. So if you guys can see that, it fits. Oh, actually, let me see. So this is for the thumb. This fits perfectly. It is number 2. So I like to set this aside right over here. And the other part that I like to do is look for the number 2. Okay, so this is number 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here to see if that matches. So I found 2. These are for the thumb, so I like to put this right over here. And now we're gonna check for this finger. So I found number 7. Now I'll put it right here, number 7, and right there for number 7. So that's it. Now we're gonna go with the middle finger. Number 5. This is number 5, and this is gonna go in the middle finger, and it fits perfectly. Now I'm gonna look for number 5 as well, here somewhere. So these ones are number 5, so this one definitely does fit in the middle finger. So we're gonna go ahead and put them there. And now we're gonna choose the ring finger. So this one does fit, and we're gonna go ahead and put it like this. This one's fit, so this one number 8. So now we gotta look for number 8. So now this is, I found number 8. So we're gonna go ahead and do this with this finger right here. And this one does fit. Okay, so these are for the ring finger, so I'm gonna put that right there. Now we're gonna do the last one, the pinky. So the pinky is number 12. So now I gotta look for number 12. Alright, I found number 12. So we're going to alright, it fits perfectly. So we are done matching the nails. We're done matching the nails. So here is the glue that I'm going to be using. And I'm not going to be using this. So it has tabs here, but I don't like doing that. So I put this on the side. Now we're going to start gluing the nails. We're going to put this here. And make sure that the nails are in correct size. Okay, now we're going to start gluing the nails. So I like to grab a file and just file the top of the nail. Okay, I'm going to open our glue. We're going to make sure that it works because, oh yeah, it does work. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. And now we're going to start gluing our nails together. So what I like to do with these nails is I like to put the nail on my finger. You can do it here also, but I like to do that. So we're going to do a drop. And we're just going to shake. And then we're going to add the nail. And we're going to count to 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 38, 39, 40. Now we need to clean it off. So this is 1. That's what it looks like. And we're going to continue to apply the nails. With one hand, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand. Okay, so I went and go ahead and finished my nails. So this is what it looks like. They are done. So the last step is I like to grab a file and just follow the top here because it has like the little bump and I don't like that. Just file so lightly. You don't have to do it that strong. Alright, so now we're done, and this is what it looks like, the real short, you can see. And this is what it looks like, and I love how they look. They're pink. They're so cute. the hard part of putting these nails is actually trying to find the match of these nails. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and they're really cute and I like these. And give it a big thumbs up in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of these nails. And I'll put the where I bought these nails in the description box. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.